In returning and rest is your salvation. In quietness and trust is your strength. In returning and rest is my salvation. In quietness and trust in the Lord, there is my strength. Whatever you're going through, leave it at the feet of Jesus. I want to almost say like Hannah, commit everything back to Him. Your problems, your worries, your cares. Lay it by sy voete. Stop holding on to it. Stop shaking and moving. I'm not saying don't pray. I'm saying stop making noise and running around aimlessly and say, Lord, what are you doing in my life? Not because I don't know what to do anymore, because I'm directionless, but because I know you have the answer and you have required me to stand still, listen to your voice. And that is where I'll find my comfort and my strength.